So guys, this is my workplace. This is the cassava flour. This is wheat flour. I'm going to cook karo in them. I'm going to mix some wheat flour and some cassava flour to make karo. It's wonderful, guys. It tastes so nice. Let me show you. This is the wheat flour. I've already put some. I'm going to add more. Balance. Actually, if you want a nutritious karo with the both protein balanced and carbohydrate, you can you should add at least 3 parts of wheat with 1 part of cassava flour. This is cassava flour. Now let's try to see. Let's try to mingle and you see how to look. So have to balance. So I'm balancing using the cassava flour because I want to have a more nutritious karo that, but I'd already put more of the wheat. But also the wheat alone can also make karo, but a wonderful one, a very nice one. So I'm trying to balance so that I've not measured the water so I have just to balance using karo because I'm cooking only once and for all. I'll eat what's left. I'll eat in the evening. See, it's becoming like exactly this cassava flour when you mingle it. Although the wheat flour also alone can make it appear like this. So this now that it has now that it has completely mixed in a good cooked proportion, so now I'm going to try to mix very well, but I can't mix from there, so I'll mix from down. So now it's all about now removing the flour. I mean, it's not removing, but it's a mixing. Okay, let me say mingling to mix uniformly. So cooking is actually some small laboratory, chemistry laboratory that nobody imagines that it is. Because in the kitchen you can try new things, but also if you cook according to the nutritious value you want in the food, you'll find out amazing things. But before you do, you may first learn, or you may decide to learn through testing. Yeah, you mix. After mixing, then you test how do they look like. That's how even you can get wonderful recipes from nothing or from nowhere. You just say, let me mix this and this and this, and then I see how would they taste. If they taste badly, then you find out why have they tasted badly. Or or you can decide to leave it. That no, this recipe is not good. It is not, does not taste well. Let me try another one. Like that. That's how recipes also can be engineered or designed in the kitchen. That's the same thing with chemistry. You know, chemistry is all about is it try and error. It comes from the word try, something like that. Okay, you know, I have explained in terms of that, in terms of chemistry. So, but at least most people have studied it even in O level, in secondary. So like that. So Caro, so almost ready. I've put it back so that it can now get out of the saucepan. So you see how it's looking the same as Caro. So our Caro is now ready from wheat, from 3 parts of wheat and 1 part of cassava flour. You know, I've been measuring according to you know, when you have been doing it, you don't need to measure. You just estimate by how you have been seeing it happening. So this is the Caro. It's now ready to be served. You see? So guys, let me explain to you something. You see wheat, wheat contains 14% proteins and some gluten, the one that makes it sticky when put in water, when mixed with water. So guys, wheat alone has 70% carbohydrate, 14% proteins, and the rest is gluten and another one. You can find out about that, but it's a wonderful recipe, a wonderful nutritious meal. So here I'm eating at least some part is protein, another one is carbohydrate. Yeah, of course I have sauce. For the sauce, I'm going to also prepare the sauce, but this one is the one I wanted to show you that we can also eat wheat flour, just like how we eat Caro.